Welcome to our oceanography field trip. Our first stop is Fukushima, Japan. In this stop, we are going to explore ocean radiation. In March 2011, when the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant was damaged by the magnitude 9.0 earthquake that struck off the coast of Japan, it resulted in radioactive cesium isotopes being released into the Pacific Ocean. The dumping of highly radioactive water into the Pacific Ocean constitutes a potential trigger to a process of global radioactive contamination. Radioactive elements have not only been detected in the food chain in Japan, radioactive rainwater has been recorded in California. Our second stop is Guam. Between Guam's lagoons and its coastal waters, the island is thought to have reefs and coral gardens encompassing roughly 42 square miles, a figure that does not include the reefs in deeper waters farther out to sea. The reefs mix hard corals such as staghorn, table, and brain corals with soft coral-like mushroom corals. The coral reefs also provide a home to 128 different species of sponges, such as the huge elephant ear sponge. Collectively, the corals and sponges create an underwater topography full of fascinating shapes and vibrant colors. Our third stop will be Astoria Canyon, Oregon. Astoria Canyon, Submarine Canyon, and Fan Valley system of the Pacific continental margin off the coast of Oregon, U.S. Astoria Submarine Canyon begins 9 miles west of the Columbian River at a depth of 55 fathoms and winds sinuously southwestward across the continental terrace for a distance of 65 miles to a depth of 1,140 fathoms. At this depth, the canyon hooks sharply to the left and the morphologic characteristics change to those of a deep sea channel, Astoria Channel, which continues across Astoria Fan. 8 distributary-like channels radiate across the fan from the mouth of Astoria Canyon. This canyon has U to V-shaped transverse profiles, high, fairly steep walls with rock outcrops, a winding course, and numerous tributaries entering the canyon from both sides. Our final stop is Monterey Bay, California. Cross-cut active faults with low seismic mechanisms. Largest historical earthquakes appear in the Monterey Bay Fault Zone. It is located next to the major active fault zone, San Gregorio Fault. It is a seismically active fault. Monterey Bay Fault Zone is approximately 10 kilometers composed of roughly parallel faults. In the Monterey Bay region, the plate boundary between the North American and Pacific plates is comprised of the San Andreas Fault System, consisting of the Hayward-Calavera and San Andreas Fault Zones on land, and the offshore Palo Colorado San Gregorio Fault. It boasts an undersea canyon that is deeper than the Grand Canyon. This rich environment is home to krill, Humboldt squid, mola mola, and a plethora of tiny animals that thrive in giant kelp forests.